Hey there, welcome to Draw So Sweet. Today, we're drawing an adorable watermelon artist, complete with a paintbrush, a colorful palette, and a splash of paint. Let's grab our pencils and start creating this fun character, step by step. We'll begin by drawing a simple triangular slice of watermelon. Curve the bottom edge slightly to give it that juicy, cartoon-like look. Next, it's time to bring our watermelon to life. Start with two big, round eyes in the center of the slice. Add smaller circles inside for highlights, giving it a cheerful and lively expression. Now for the smile, draw a wide, happy mouth with a tiny tongue peeking out. This little detail adds so much personality to our watermelon artist. Now, let's add the rind. Draw a parallel line around the base of the triangle for the green skin. For the legs, draw two small, curved shapes at the bottom of the slice. Add some cute little boots or sneakers. Feel free to get creative with their design. An arm sticking out from the sides of the slice. Keep them slightly bent for a dynamic pose. Don't forget to scatter a few small watermelon seeds across the slice to give it some charm. Now for the artist tools. In one hand, sketch a large paintbrush. Start with a long handle, add a metal grip, and finish with bristles at the end. Don't forget to add a little splash of paint on the tip. It's a busy artist after all. To make the scene more fun, let's add a splash of paint on the ground. Draw an irregular shape with small droplets around it. This adds movement and makes the drawing even more playful. Draw an artist's palette. Make it oval-shaped with small circles or blobs of paint around the edge. This detail really brings out the creative vibe. Make the base on which artist watermelon slice stands. That will make your drawing finishing look. Now, it's time to bring our drawing to life with color. Use a bright red or pink for the watermelon slice, and a vibrant green for the rind. Color the seeds black and add white highlights to the eyes. For the boots, pick a bold color like yellow or orange. The paintbrush handle can be brown with a purple paint tip, and the palette should look like wood with colorful paint blobs. Finish off by coloring the paint splash in a fun shade like blue or purple. Finally, outline your drawing with a black pen to make it pop. And there you have it, your very own watermelon artist, ready to create masterpieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Keep creating and stay sweet.